Hey everybody! I'm here today with a video of myself removing salt stains on a car carpet with a wet vac extractor. This will be a tutorial and demonstration, so let's get right into the video. As you can see here, I have these salt stains in my Honda CR-V, and they're pretty old, they're pretty caked on. I'm going to see what I can do with regards to cleaning them up using my Bissel wet vac extractor. So I'm going to pull the camera back and show you my vacuum right now. As you can see right over here, this is actually the Bissel SpotClean Professional, I believe it's called, that I have. And it's essentially a wet vac extractor. What I've done is I've placed warm water inside of the reservoir tank right there. And I've just attached a regular extraction tool. We're going to see what we can do, okay? Now I'm going to bring the camera back in here and I'm going to do my best to try and not knock over the camera and to try and give you the best view possible. However, if the camera gets knocked over, don't worry, I'm just going to pick it right back up. So I'm only using water right now. I just want to see what I can do with just water. I know that there are cleaning solutions and tools that I can use, but I want to see what I can do just with this tool right here. I also have this other attachment just in case I need it to get into the corners, and I just want to see what I can do, how much better I can make it look while just using the sort of water that I have. Okay, so I'm going to turn it on, and it's quite loud. If I have to speak again, I'm going to turn it off. But the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to vacuum up everything in the area around there. So let's turn it on. Oh, I told you. Alright, so I did a quick vacuum, and I do apologize about the camera falling. Like I said, I'm going to try and get a better angle here, and hopefully I'll stay out of the way this time. I'm going to move this a little bit closer. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it on, and I'm going to spray the water in this entire area here. And like I said, look at how hard it is. Unfortunately, this is all my doing. It's my responsibility in my household to wash the cars. So, and I wash the outsides and the insides, but I haven't cleaned this. Okay, so, you know, my wife and I sort of have our own like tasks that we sort of adhere to. My job is to wash the cars. That's my full responsibility. So this is all me. So I'm going to try and fix it. Okay, so we're going to spray some water and we're going to see what we can extract. We're going to obviously have to do more than one pass. We'll just see what we can do. It's not going to be perfect, but I want to see how it looks. Okay, with just water. Let's do this. Alright, so I apologize if you hear me making those sounds in the back, but it's pretty gross what's coming out of there. I will say already, it's much softer. So I know I'm getting it off. Okay, you can see it looks much better, although granted it is wet right now. I'm going to do a few more passes. We'll see what we can do just in a short period of time, okay? Let's get right into it. Sorry, that was like, I spoke as if it was the beginning of the video. Let's get right into it once again. Let's go. to continue telling you what's going on, as you can see, it's really just a few little spots that are really caked on. Once those soften up, which I think after a few more passes, I should be okay. Like, this is softer already, which is kind of crazy, and it's much cleaner. So it's insane the amount of cleaning that has been done with just water and this tool. Let's continue. Let's see if we can clean it up and make it look nice again. Wow. All right, so we're actually almost there. It looks so much better. Now, the last thing that I will do, and keep in mind, at the time of me filming this, I've had this car for 4.5 years roughly, and I've never cleaned this part one time. Now, the mat was here, right? That's why this isn't salt stained, but there's no mat over here, and this is where my foot goes when I'm pushing the pedals. So we're gonna try one more time. I'm just gonna try and scrub at it with the bristles to see what I can do in terms of scrubbing that out. But it looks so much better already. I'm very impressed. Okay, let's continue a few more passes really quickly. Wow. All right, so I am pleasantly impressed with how well I could clean this using only water. Now, obviously, if I wanted to really detail the car, I would be doing this for a long time. I would have to set aside at least a few hours, and I would do a lot more. But for now, I just wanted to see if I could remove those salt stains significantly using just water and a wet vac extractor with no additional products, okay? And it worked really, really well. This was just warm water along with this extractor. It looks so much better. I can't believe it. And lastly, what we will do, because I feel like I owe this to you, is to show you the water. I have to show you the water. So this is really just what we extracted. This was a clean tank before. So this is just what we extracted right now. Let's bring it over here and show you. Wow, look at how dirty that water is. That's incredible. It's insane how dirty it is. Yeah, so that's basically it. I mean, I'm gonna go ahead, and another day I want to fully detail the car, every square inch of it, but for now I just wanted to tackle that salt stain because it just really got on my nerves every time I saw it, and I wanted to see if it would work, and it obviously did. It looks so much better. So that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.